In this video, we will show you how to doing email marketing using Zoho campaigns. Zoho campaign is one popular software that we can create email marketing. Okay. After you open the Zoho campaigns website, zoho.com/campaigns here, you can access the Zoho campaigns. But if you want to see the pricing, you can click the pricing here. Okay. With the pricing is actually free and up to 6,000 emails per month, and for standard and the professional is unlimited emails. Okay, back to dashboard. We can access to campaigns by clicking this button, and after that, to creating the first campaign, the most important thing is you must have a contact. In this case is email contact because we want to do email marketing. To creating a contact, you can import or create manually. First, for example, we can click contacts menu, and in here we can just click manage list. The list is our categories of contact. For example, for demo, we can create a list private demo. Okay, and click save after that. Then we can add the contact. Okay, or using import contact with Excel or with CSV file. We can also let's contact join this list via web form. Okay, for example, we can just create manually. Okay, this is the email. For example, I will have this email, and after that we can just click add. Okay, this contact have give consent to receive email relevant to my product. Okay, just click add. After you add the email into the private demo list, you can see your contact and manage list. You have one contact with one email. Okay, and then you can creating a campaigns. Just click campaigns, and there is two options: email campaigns or SMS campaigns. You can choose email campaigns, for example. Because we don't have the email campaigns, we can just click create campaign for the first. Okay, there is many option: regular email, A/B testing, RSS, Zoho meeting, and another. Because we want just marketing email, we can just click the regular email to create new. Okay, for example, we can using first campaign and save and process. Okay, subject, give a suitable subject line to this campaign. Okay, for the subject, for example, you can see this is the tips. Every successful email campaign start with a great subject line. This is first campaign. For example, this is our subject which we will send to our contact. So be careful. This is the subject on the email. Okay, this is the pre-header. Your email's pre-header will follow the subject line. Okay, just click save here. This is the optional. Okay, the subject is filled, and the sender, we can add our email address. Okay, this is the sender email address. For example, we can using our email and our sender name, and reply to our email. We can click save. How to add the email address? To add email address, you need to go to your profile. Okay, this is your profile, and you can add the email address there. And recipient is people that we will receive our email campaigns or email marketing. Just click add recipient, and for example, just click list. Okay, this is we already create the private demo contact with one people. Just click save after that. Then in here we can click create content. This is actually the last step and the most important steps. Okay, you can using the save templates, pre-design template, and basic templates. Okay, because we doesn't have the templates or save templates, we can using these two options. Okay, for example, using basic templates, we can edit later. So we can select a template. For example, the template is one column, one with two and one two columns, you can see. And you can click back to find inspiration. If you decide to using the pre-designed templates, you can click this. Okay, this is many pre-designed template you can use. Okay, okay, actually this is beautiful. For example, we can select this template, and you can see this is all the templates that you can edit for the content, the social media. To edit this, just double click or click on the item. You can see you can give the link. For example, you enter your website here, or you can change the image. You can change the image property, okay, like this for example. And you can using image size small or another. Okay, you can see there. And you can edit the text also. This is where data campaigns, for example. Okay, after you all done with this, you can just using preview and test, or you can using projects to send your email. After you saving the campaign or the content, you can see there we can just test email, or we can just send the immediately. Okay, cheers, your campaign has been approved. Okay, we can click send, or we can just using send later. Let's try to click send now here. Click send. Maybe the Zoho will checking your campaign is appropriate or not. If not appropriate, maybe you need to confirm from Zoho teams that your campaign is valid. Okay, you can see your campaign will be sent out once it's reviewed and approved by our compliance team. Okay, you'll receive email with the steps to rectify the issue. And that's how you can create a campaign with Zoho. For the last step, you need to make sure your campaign is approved and you successfully created email campaign with Zoho. That's the simplest way how you can create email marketing using Zoho application. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.